everyone, I hope you're okay. So I don't know what that was. I'm getting a bit distracted because next door are currently revving their engine. The dog, the other side, is barking, so I'm about like, oh. Anyways, today I thought I would film a drugstore makeup look. I'm kind of enjoying doing makeup videos at the moment, which is weird because I was like, I don't want to make makeup videos anymore, but it's mainly because I don't think I'm very good at makeup. But yeah, just felt like filming a makeup look today, so that is what we're going to do. We're just going to roll with it. And I wanted to do a drugstore bronzy look. I mean, I know, hold the phone, it's my usual kind of look. But I wanted to use all drugstore products and see if I could do something really nice and glowy and summery. And yeah, I've got quite a few drugstore products that I have been very kindly sent, so I wanted to try them out, and I do quite enjoy doing like a bit of a chatty makeup video. So we're just going to get right into it. I've popped a little bit of Pixie moisturiser on, and I've popped some Pixie spray on. I know that's not drugstore, so I know that I'm technically cheating, but everything else will be. And I've got a bit of redness here, so let's just ignore that. So obviously we're going to start with foundation first, and I think I'm going to mix two colours together of the Maybelline Dream Satin Liquid. I've kind of rediscovered my love for this recently. It really is a really nice foundation, and I don't think I kind of have the right colours, so I am going to have to mix a couple. I think I've got quite a dark one, and then I've got quite a light one, so I'm going to have to mix them up, I think. Now I want this to be like ultimate glow, so I'm also going to be adding some highlighter as well. So I'm going to be using the new Model's Own Glow for it, the illuminator drops. Let's pop this, just pop this all over, like we're going all out. Like I want to see how glowy. Like, can I get that kind of Instagram glowy makeup look using all drugstore products? That is what I want to achieve today. Just need to be careful. I don't want to look like the Tin Man, so I'm just gonna thingy that all in. Well, that's got given like a little bit of glow, but nothing too mad. I am going to need to put some extra coverage on my cheeks though, and for this I'm going to be using the Barry M All Night Long Medium Coverage Foundation. Hair is looking particularly dashing today. I feel like a prince from like a 90s fairy tale movie. Okay, so I think I'm going to go on to my eyes now, and then I'm going to do the rest of my base later. So I have got a few eye products that I want to use, and I want to make this a really like quite bronzy gold smoky look. And I've got these Glitter Bomb glitter eyeshadows from Barry M that I think are going to be absolutely perfect. So this is the colour Queen, and it's kind of like a brownie copper. And then I've also got some of the Barry M Crushed Jewel. This one is Girl Bye. That's kind of maybe a bit too pink. And then I've also got this Model's Own palette, which is called Cheat Day. So I might use a little bit of that as well. Let's see how we're doing. But I think I'm going to pop this Barry M Glitter Bomb all over my lid, and let's see how that looks, and then we'll go from there. Right. I've not actually tried these, so I'm quite excited. It's definitely quite big flecks of glitter in there. It's quite coppery, but I think that's going to look quite nice. Ooh. A lot of glitter. They were not kidding when they said glitter bomb. Like the colour is kind of, once you kind of blend it out a little bit, it's not as pigmented. But that is quite pretty. I don't know if you can, like the colour has pretty much gone to quite a light brown copper. I think I'm going to add some of the Berry M Crush Jewel in Cloud 9, which is a bit more of a, I don't know, bronzy, browny bronze. Let's pop this over the top. So let's use a little bit of this cheat day palette, like, why not? It's sitting here, so may as well. I feel like Models Own are really bringing out some pretty cool products at the moment. I mean, so Berry M, I think they're both bringing out a lot of cool products, but I think it's especially cool because Models Own only used to do like nail polish. I think their highlighters are meant to be amazing. Okay, so this is the cheat day palette. So it's quite neutral. Have a look, there we go. So I think I'm going to use like this one here, which is kind of like a goldy brown. That looks quite cute. I don't know if that was dark enough actually. I feel like they're quite warm toned. Okay, I'm going to use some of my favourite Berry M Crush Jewel shadow in the crease, and this is the colour Dreamcatcher, and it's just quite a dark brown, but I feel like this is just going to darken it up a little bit, and then I'm going to go back in with that glitter eyeshadow over the top. I have no idea what I'm doing, like literally no idea, so please don't copy me for technique. We're just trying out the colours. I'm sure you guys are all a million times better than me at makeup. Okay, so I'm just going to take a dark brown and pop this along my upper lash line. Literally had so much fallout with these eyeshadows. I think I'm going to pop a little bit of eyeliner over my lash line, and I'm going to be using the Lottie London Stamp liner. I've not used this, so I have no idea what it's like. Okay, so it's a stamp and liner duo. Okay, so that's got a music lyric on it. I'm a bit confused why you would want a music lyric stamp, but who am I to judge? Okay, I'm just going to pop some of this on my lash line. Okay, and the winner for the worst eyeliner application goes to me. Okay, now I'm going to add some mascara. I did curl my lashes earlier, and I'm going to put my false lashes on because my lashes are just pitiful. I'm going to be using the Tanya Burr Selfie Lash Mascara. But yeah, I need some false lashes. I feel like that will finish this look off quite nicely. I'm going to be using these Emma Willis lashes from Allure, and these are called All the Aces, and this is what they look like. I really like these lashes because they have a corner option and a full option, so I feel like they're really good if you're kind of not really sure what you want. But yeah, I think they're really lovely lashes, and they're quite nice and wispy. I do love wispy lashes. So yeah, big fan of these. I do love Allure's lashes. They do an incredible range. I mean, I do think false lashes do make everything right with the world. Like, your makeup could look absolutely shocking. Pop on a good pair of false lashes and you're away. I do feel like they save you. Oh, they're nice. Right, I think I'll also pop on some eyeliner whilst I'm here, may as well. I'm going to use this Lottie London one, and it's a brown one rather than using black. Sometimes I think black looks a little bit harsh. So this is the Lottie London AM to PM in the shade Mocha. I quite like their liners, they're quite nice. Okay, for my brows, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Dip Brow Pomade. I think that's what it's called. Yes, brow gel. Well, it's not probably Dip Brow, that's probably the Anastasia one. So I'm going to add some under eye concealer. First of all, I'm going to use this lemon concealer from Collection Last Imperfection. And then I'm going to use the concealer from Barry M All Night Long, and this is the shade Cookie. Okay, so highlighter, like I said, I want to go all out. So I think, which one do I use? Maybe I'll use a mixture. So I've got two shades of the Model's Own Glow Drops. I've got Girl Crush and Lit. So let's use both of them, right? Why the heck not? Let's pop some on the little nose. Let's pop some here and here. You know, I really want to get that glowy look. Oh, that was maybe too much. Might be able to land a plane with all this highlighter. Oh. Can you see that? Hopefully. It's very nice. There's a lot on this side. Let's distribute it. I hope you can see this, because I always film and then I'm like, oh, and then the camera just does not pick it up. They do give like a nice glow. They're not as pigmented as like the iconic London ones, but they do give you a nice glow. Right, I might just like powder the middle part of my cheek. Just using some translucent powder. Okay, and then I'm going to pop some bronzer on. So to add that glow, I have, where has it gone? I've got a Rimmel bronzer, and it's called like Radiance or something. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, so this is Radiance Brick from Rimmel. So I thought this would be perfect for adding some more glow. Just tuck my bra in. Right. So this is the Model's Own Cheat Day Glaze palette, and I'm going to use these. I feel like I filmed a very similar tutorial to this literally the other day, and I feel like I used pretty much all the same products, so apologies that they are very similar. But in the other one I did use like more non-drugstore, so I'm just mixing the three colours together because why not? And let's just pop that on there. feel like that's enough with the highlight now. I'm going to start looking like a doll if I'm not careful. Okay, let's move on to lips. So I've got these Model's Own Cheat Day Lip Glaze because I was like, I need like a gloss. So let's see what these are like. So this one is the colour Frosting. And it's like a metallic peach. I'm just putting some Too Faced Peachy Gloss over the top. I know that I am technically cheating, but I just wanted a little bit of gloss, and the majority of this is all drugstore. And there we go, there is my attempt at a drugstore glowy makeup look. I am quite impressed. I think my base looks really nice, if I say so myself. And I do like the highlighter. I feel like that does give you, I mean, hopefully, I don't know if you can see this because the lighting is a bit all over the place. But hopefully you can see that I've got quite a bit of glow, and then that's my eyes. I don't know if that's very helpful at all, actually. You can see. Like, it is a nice glittery eyeshadow. So yes, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please let me know if there's any other similar videos like this that you would like to see. But I am going to go now. A big thank you for watching. I'll pop all the products down below in the description box if you like the look of any of them. And yeah, I'll see you very soon in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.